If you are someone who likes to add an extra touch of oomph to your makeup looks, then you definitely can't go wrong with glitter. The go-to beauty must-haves for festivals or holidays, glitter makeup looks are a trend that never went out of style. Here we bring to you 3 easy ways to incorporate shimmer into your look. Wearing glitter on the eyes is one of the easiest and most doable trends to follow. This simple glitter cut crease look is easy to rock and will last all day. Begin with prepping your eyes with some concealer and set it with a powder. Add a medium brown shade to the crease and blend it well with a fluffy brush. Then, grab a pencil brush and apply a darker shade of brown to your crease. And then go in with a black eyeshadow to add a touch of drama and some more definition. The next step is to carve out your eyelid with some concealer before going in with a metallic eyeliner. Sketch out a thick line from the inner corner of your eye outwards to create a dramatic wing. Once you've created this beautiful wing, clean up the edges with a little bit of concealer. Tightline the lower and upper waterline to open up your eyes and define the look. A great way to embrace glitter, this look is easy to apply and a subtle nod to the sparkle trend. Loose pigments are great for multi-purpose use when it comes to makeup. From adding glamour to your eyes or shimmer to your lips, their versatility is incredible. On your mixing palette, take a pump or two of your favorite liquid foundation. Add a liberal amount of the shimmery pigment and mix it well before applying it to your face as you normally would. This gorgeous face illuminator will give you an instant glow and highlight your favorite features as well. Unleash your inner diva this festive season with an edgy and dramatic cat eye that will surely make heads turn. Start by prepping the eyes with a concealer or foundation and make sure to cover the inner corners to get rid of any darkness. Set it with a powder and pack on a nude eyeshadow on the entire eyelid while concentrating it in the center. Take a green kajal pencil and draw the outline of a wing in the outer corner using a light hand. Blend the color outwards before it dries up, following the shape of that wing. Use the same kajal pencil and sharpen the line towards the bottom lash line, smudging it heavily for a dramatic look. Next, take a deep teal eyeshadow and work it into the corners and the bottom lash line. Grab a lighter green color and using the same brush, blend it into the corners to add dimension. Line the bottom waterline with your kajal pencil along the line of the eyeshadow and follow the same process on top, smudging it ever so slightly. Add a champagne white highlighting powder to the arch of the brow for a subtle glow. Curl your lashes before you apply any falsies and go in with a heavy coat of mascara. Now, dampen your brush before dipping it into a glitter pigment to intensify the shade and keep it from moving. Finish off your base makeup, add a touch of bronzer on the cheekbones and put on a nude lip. Choosing the right colors and blending them well will give you a look that may have seemed like a task but is actually quite easy to achieve. This iconic 80s and 90s trend is definitely a crowd favorite, and we hope that these simple tips will make embracing shimmer a little bit easier for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.